कॉलम की चौड़ाई चेंज करें. चेंजिंग कॉलम width. For changing column width for several columns, select the column by dragging the column headings. Select format column width. The column width dialog box appears. Enter the column width and click OK button. Hence, the column width changes. To change the column width of one column, click on the border of column heading and drag it to left or right until required width is achieved. Next है autofill. MS Excel का autofill फीचर predefined series of data प्रदान करता है, जैसे कि टेक्स्ट या नंबर्स एंटर करने की सुविधा प्रदान करता है. Autofill features of MS Excel lets you enter a predefined series of data such as text or numbers. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 1 3 5 7 9 A B C D E Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. To display the list of autofill options, click the autofill options button. The list of options varies according to the type of data. Text and formulas, numbers, months of the year, days of the week, dates, etc. The available options are copy cell, fill formatting only, fill days, fill months, fill series, fill without formatting, fill weekdays, fill years. The above 8 options are also included on the shortcut menu that appears when you right click and drag the fill handle to adjacent cells. The autofill options button is not displayed while using this method. To create a numeric series R, enter the first two values of data in adjacent cell. The first two values decide the incremental value. The first two numbers are entered into consecutive cells with the starting value of 38 and its increments by 2. Select two cells. A small black square in the lower right corner of selected cells is the fill handle. Drag the handle to the cell where you want to fill the number with series. Release the mouse button. The cell in gray area will be filled with the series of required numbers. You can also generate a predefined series of weekdays, months, dates, etc. Type the first value in series, for example January. Select the cell, click autofill handle and drag it to complete the series. Release mouse button. You will find the series of months of the year filled in the gray area. Once you create a custom list, it is added to your computer's registry and hence available for use in order workbooks as well. If you use a custom list when sorting data, it is also saved with the workbook to be used on other computers. कस्टम लिस्ट क्रिएट करना, क्रिएटिंग कस्टम लिस्ट. हालांकि एक्सेल में कई बिल्ट इन लिस्ट्स उपलब्ध हैं, लेकिन आप अपनी इच्छानुसार भी लिस्ट बना सकते हैं जिनको कस्टम लिस्ट कहा जाता है. इन कस्टम लिस्ट्स को आप बिल्ट इन लिस्ट्स की भांति सेल्स में फिल कर सकते हैं. Although many built-in lists are available in MS Excel, you can create your own list also, and these are known as custom lists. Preparing customized list in MS Excel is a way to create your list of names or text. After you have created a custom list, you can use it to fill the range of cells to sort or fill in a user-defined order. MS Excel provides day of the week and month of the year built-in lists, but you can also create your own custom lists. To create a custom list, select Tools, Options. The Option dialog box is displayed. Select Custom Lists tab. Select New List in Custom List box. Click List Entries box and type the item you require in your list. For example, rainbow colors. Click the Add button. It includes the list in Custom Lists box. ऑटो कंप्लीट एक्सेल का वे फीचर है जिसकी सहायता से कॉलम की रिपीटेड एंट्रीज एक्टिव सेल में स्वतः इनपुट हो जाती हैं. यदि आप कुछ कैरेक्टर्स टाइप करते हैं और ये कैरेक्टर्स किसी एग्जिस्टिंग कॉलम की एंट्री से मैच करते हैं तो शेष कैरेक्टर्स में फिल हो जाते हैं. केवल वही एंट्रीज कंप्लीट होती हैं जिनमें टेक्स्ट या टेक्स्ट व नंबर्स व कॉम्बिनेशन होता है। केवल नंबर्स, डेट्स, टाइम इत्यादि वाली एंट्रीज फेल नहीं होती हैं। Autocomplete is an Excel's feature by which repeated entries in a column could be automatically input in the active cell. When you type the list few characters and it matches an existing entry in the column as MS Excel fills in the remaining characters and completes them automatically. However, only those entries are completed that contains text or a combination of text and numbers. The entries that consist of only numbers and dates times are not completed. To accept the proposed entry, press enter. In case you wish to reject the proposed entry, keep on typing. To display the list of entries, press Alt plus down arrow. You may right click the cell and pick from list on shortcut menu. Autocomplete stops its operation in MS Excel. If there is a blank cell in the existing list, Excel will not provide the autocomplete feature if the cells contain only numbers, dates and times. Formatting. डाटा को इफेक्टिव रूप में प्रस्तुत करने की प्रक्रिया फॉर्मेटिंग कहलाती है. Formatting is a process of presenting the data in an effective manner with respect to alignment, font size, font color, border pattern, etc. Formatting numbers, date and time. To format numbers, selecting the range of cells to be performed, select format cells. The format cells dialog box appears. Select the number tab. On the number tab, you can also choose the number of decimal places or 1,000 separator. When you finish selecting the requirements, press OK button. Hence, the format changes. In the same manner, you may format date and time by selecting the category in the format cells dialog box. Text की formatting करना, formatting the text. Text can be formatted in several ways. Example, by changing its alignment, by changing font style, font size, font color, indentation, rotation. To change the alignment of text, example, placement of data within cells. Select the range of cells, select format cells, click the alignment tab. In the horizontal and vertical group box, specify the alignment for the selected cells. Change the orientation of cells by specifying the number of degrees in degrees box. Alternatively, you can also set the compass. Text control has options like wrap text, shrink to fit or merge cells. After making your selections, use OK button. You may also use 4 alignment buttons on the formatting toolbar: left, center, right, and merge and center. Merge and center allows the contents to be placed in the center of a cell across number of columns. Next, enter the text in one cell. Now select the range of cells across which you wish to center the text. Press merge and center button on the formatting toolbar. Formatting font. Font key formatting. To format font, select the range of cells, select format cells, choose font type. Here you can choose font size, font style, color, effects, and also preview the text. After making the desired selection, click OK button. You may also format cells using the buttons on formatting toolbar. Font drop down in list box. Font drop down list box. Font size, bold, italic, underline, and font color. टेक्स्ट की फॉर्मेटिंग और फॉन्ट की फॉर्मेटिंग में क्या अंतर है? सेलेक्ट टेक्स्ट के बॉर्डर की फॉर्मेटिंग. सेलेक्टेड टेक्स्ट के बॉर्डर की फॉर्मेटिंग. टू फॉर्मेट द बॉर्डर ऑफ सेलेक्टेड सेल्स. आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग द रेंज ऑफ सेल्स, सेलेक्ट फॉर्मेट सेल्स, क्लिक द बॉर्डर टैब, सेलेक्ट द बॉर्डर स्टाइल, लाइन स्टाइल, कलर और presets. After making the desired selection, click OK button. The chosen style will appear around the cells. The border can be selected by clicking on the borders button on formatting toolbar. Cells के pattern व color की formatting. To format the background pattern of cells, select the range of cells, select format cells, choose the pattern tab, press the format cells dialog box that is displayed. Select a pattern from the drop down list. The sample box will show the selected pattern. After making the selection, click OK button. सेल्स के बैकड्रॉप कलर को चेंज करना. चेंजिंग द कलर ऑफ बैकग्राउंड ऑफ सेल्स. टू चेंज द बैकग्राउंड कलर, सेलेक्ट द cells. On formatting toolbar, click fill color drop down list button, select a color. The new color will be applied in the background of cells.